Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this JBL Sense Lite headphone. So this one is open ear design. Can be used when answering phone calls. So it has a four mics, so meaning two mics each, so for clearer audio quality for your voice. Okay, it has a IP54 rating, meaning it can withstand light dust and light rain, but it's not really designed as waterproof. Okay, so be careful on that one. So it's just IP54, so it can withstand your sweat and also light rain, but it's not good for when you're swimming or heavy downpour of rain. Okay, so can it has a 8-hour plus 24-hour battery. So, but basically when you're using it's like 8 hours. And if you want a quick charging, so 10 minutes will let you use it for 3 hours listening. Okay, so I open this now. Just cut this portion. Okay. Okay. Now the seal is cut, so open this part. You can pull out. Oh, here is the headphone. So I will open from this side. So lightweight and like a rubber silicone design. So this one is good if you don't want the ambient noise to be blocked, so you can have a sense of what's going on around you, unlike the in-ear headphone. So this one is quite good. Then here's the case. From here, so you can see the connection is there, so like that. So it's magnetic. Yep. So you can see there's a light right away, so it's charging the headphone. So this one is not blinking, probably it's already charged. Just close this one. Yeah, see? Close. Then the charging port is here. But let me see if it comes with the cable. So this one has manual, some documents about this product. Let me see. Like a quick start guide. And I don't know if there's a cable, so nothing. So guys, there's no cable, so you can just use your normal USB Type-C charger. Alright, so I'll charge this now, then I will try this on later. Okay, thank you for watching.